So I need to change these hand grips, but before we do that, I've got to get the old ones off first. So the first thing we need to do is get these bar end weights off, which is quite straightforward. Now I'm not going to be using these grips again, so what I could do, I could just get a standing knife to them and just cut them off, which would probably be the quickest, easiest way. But what I'm going to do here is just get a screwdriver underneath, and a bit of WD-40 underneath there, just to break up the glue that's in there. Might need to get a longer screwdriver actually. So that's broken the seal there, and then they come off. Just a little bit of pulling. There we are, and that's that one off. And I'll give this grip a quick clean. Just get WD-40 again. Get all the old glue and old crap off it. There we are. With the new grips, you'll find that the holes are different diameters. So you see that, so one's got a wider hole than the other. The one with the wider hole is for the throttle because that's slightly wider. So to put the new grips in, I use some of my wife's hairspray. Now remember, it's a lot easier to beg for forgiveness than it is to beg for permission. So just go and grab it, get a bit of it. She might not even notice. Spray it round inside. So what that does is it's a little bit of lubricant, first of all, to get the grip on. And then when that dries off, it gives a good bond. Just slide it all in there. Almost there. There we are. You don't want to push it up too much because you don't want that catching on there as well, don't forget. So that's in. So once the grip is on, all that's left to do then is put the bar end weight back in. There we are. My throttle isn't connected up to anything at the moment, so it's there's no spring back on it at the moment. But yeah, there you are. Easy as that.